Hello again, everyone. Trucks to be sales here with a truckerized tune-up report for Roland in Louisiana on this Ranger RCI 99N4. Roland, you snuck in here and grabbed one. If you've been following us, we've announced that Ranger has let us know they're discontinuing this powerful radio. Quite unfortunate. It is one of my most favorite releases. The receive is amazing on them. The audio is very nice when it's set up properly. And for the power, you can't beat it. You know, you've got this amp on off switch here. They allegedly are still going to be making the little brother, the 99N2. That's a 250 watt PEP radio, but we'll just have to see. So I've got a few of these left, and after that there will not be any more according to Ranger. So here we go. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug. Got you at 25 watts. That way you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. 150 all the way up, actually about 165. So your average power swing. Hello, 225 bird average, 1000 watt slug in PEP. Hello, and 590 PEP. So over here to sideband, you'll have a little bit less. Hello, 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 hello. At 560 on sideband. All right, Roland's ready to come to you, bud. I appreciate it. Appreciate your patience. If you're looking at purchasing from us, we work about 10 to 15 business day back on builds. We are not taking any mail-ins at the time. Just simply wanting to focus all our efforts on keeping the prepaid new sales up and catching up on the repairs and mail-ins that we have here now. All right, that's all we got. Bump, bump. One more thing for you, Roland. I'm sorry I got so caught up in it, but we got your high cut filter and your 10 kilohertz jump right there on the back. So you're all fixed up. All right, that's it. Bump, bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.